I have the Xiaomi Smart Camera C500 Pro, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to rotate the image or how to flip the image depending on how you've set up your camera. So normally when you set up your camera upright like this, then the image should be fine. But sometimes you might mount it on a wall like this, either sideways or maybe on the ceiling so that the camera is upside down. So to make the image upright, no matter how you launch no matter how you mount the camera, simply go to the Mi Home app. Just go to the main homepage and then select your camera and then tap on the three dot button in the top right corner and then select camera settings. Under camera settings, go to image settings, tap on that, and then you should see the option to rotate image. So the image currently, as you can see, is upright. If I want to, I can turn that 90 degrees, that's 180 degrees, and I can turn it back to upright. Okay, so every time I tap on it, it turns 180 degrees. Okay, so if I mounted it on a ceiling, for instance, then the image might be upside down, so you might want to straighten it like that. Okay, so whatever you choose, make sure you tap on the check mark in the top right corner, and that's going to be your new setting or the new orientation of your image. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.